For this second part of the series of training videos for the filling up of the online submission for Mmed program continuous assessment, specifically for the supervisors. For supervisors, and so when you are opening your email, there will be a new email from Jabatan Perubatan. So you click on it. So you will receive this email which has all the information that the candidate has filled in. If this candidate is actually under your supervision, then what you do is that click to enter the scores and edit the form under section penilaian oleh penyelian assessment by supervisor. Then you click the submit button and you come back to this email to send the report. Deny, I will touch on it later. Now click on this enter score. Then you will come to this form that the candidate has filled in and sent to you. So the section relevant to the supervisor is under this heading. So please rate your candidate attitude, punctuality. It's a Likert score of 5 level. So for this hypothetical demo, I will just select satisfactory for all the criteria. And finally, knowledge. Let's say we have entered all the inputs. If you wish to add in some comment, all right, average, all right, average candidate, fine. So it's pass. Now, if it's failed, then you have to fill it this area, which is a requirement. Measures taken to rectify. If it's passed, then that is not mandatory. Yes, I've given feedback to the candidate and I was given this a week ago. Then you can sign, right, and state the date of the signature and submit the form. Now, once you have submitted the form, you must remember to come back here to send the form. Serahan laporan penyalian. And please do not fill anything in here. Just click complete. I understand that this last step is an unnecessity, but when we are using a third-party software, I have tried every method possible. You just cannot get away from this. So you don't like it. Similarly, I also don't like it, but this unfortunately is something you just have to do it. So don't forget to come back and click on here. All right. Okay. In this hypothetical example, I'm going to show you how to interact with a request that was inappropriate. For example, this candidate did cardiology and requested me as a field supervisor, perhaps an error. So I'm not going to proceed with my assessment. So you can select deny. Please add in some comments. Example is that you might have made an error. I do not supervise for cardiology. Right. Send. Click complete. That's all. Now, what will the candidate receive? Just to give you an insight. So this is a response for your request, and for supervision as decline for the following reason. You might have an error. I do not supervise for cardiology. So that's what the candidate will receive.